Yo guys, it's your boy Cello4. Today we're gonna make some badass fucking beats. We are done with the first part of the song. Now we're gonna make another pattern and we are gonna add like a boo bass. Push the bass up to the max. Lower the mids and the trebles. Who needs that shit? So it sounds like a French house track. Let's make some sort of basic pattern to add on top of the under the beat. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby.
Baby, baby, baby.
Pitch it up. Lit. It's fucking lit. Yes. Baby. Add a sample called Lo-Fi Musica before the drop.
3, 2, 1, jump.
3, 2, 1. Okay, so what you wanna do next is add a motherfucking picture to your voice, so that it will sound a lot better, baby. I can't